In today's video, we are going to show you several proven solutions to fix the monitor flickering at high refresh rates on both gaming and productivity monitors. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is check your display cable. One of the most common causes of refresh rate flickering is a faulty or outdated display cable. So make sure you are using a default DisplayPort 1.4 or newer for high refresh rate gaming. Or you can also use HDMI 2.0 or HDMI 2.1 for compatible monitors. The original cable included with the monitor whenever possible. And if you are using an older HDMI cable, try replacing it with a certified high-speed cable. After replacing the cable, restart your PC and check if the flickering disappears. Another option that you can look into is to lower the refresh rate temporarily. Now, this helps determine whether the issue is related to monitor or the current refresh rate settings. On Windows, right-click on your desktop, select the display settings, and then click the Advanced Display. Once you've done that, open the refresh rate to drop-down menu, switch to a lower refresh rate. For example, from 250 Hz or Hertz, you might want to go into 165 Hz or Hertz, or 165 to 144 Hz, or from 144 Hz to 120 Hz. If the flickering stops, the issue is likely related to the bandwidth limitations, cable quality, or monitor settings. Of course, you want to make sure to update your graphics driver. Remember, outdated GPU drivers can cause display instability at higher refresh rates. Now, for NVIDIA users, open the GeForce Experience or the NVIDIA app. Check for available driver updates, download and install the latest driver, and restart your computer. You can also do the same thing with the AMD users. Open the AMD Software Adrenaline Edition, navigate to updates, install the newest driver version. Now, for Intel users, open the Intel Graphics Command Center, check for driver updates, and install the latest available version and restart your computer. Now, you might want to check to disable the adaptive sync temporarily, because features like FreeSync, G-Sync, or Adaptive Sync can occasionally cause flickering under certain conditions. Now, to test, open your monitor's OSD menu, locate the FreeSync, Adaptive Sync, or VRR. Disable it temporarily, test the monitor again, and if the flickering stops, you may need to update the monitor firmware or adjust the VRR settings. Now, I want you to test the other display port or HDMI port, because remember, a damaged display port can cause intermittent signal loss that appears as flickering. So you need to try another display port connector, another HDMI connector, or another cable entirely. This quick test can often identify a hardware-related issue. And last is, you might want to reset the monitor settings. Incorrect monitor settings can also trigger flickering. Now, to reset, open the monitor's OSD menu, navigate to System Settings, and select the Factory Reset or Reset All Settings and confirm the reset. Restart your computer. Once completed, reconfigure your preferred settings. Remember, monitor flickering at high refresh rates is usually caused by a cable issue, outdated graphics driver, adaptive sync conflicts, or bandwidth limitations. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next one.